Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to you, honorable judges, beloved teacher, fellow friends, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for lending me your ears. My name is Nur Hazika Najwa, and I am representing SK Kampung Seberang. Today, I would like to tell a story entitled The Selfish Crocodile. Deep in the forest, in the river, lived a large crocodile. He was a very selfish crocodile. He didn't want any other creatures to drink or bathe in the river. He thought it was his river. Every day he shouted to the creator of the forest, "Stay away from my river! It's my river! If you come in my river, I eat you all." So there were no fish, no tadpoles, no frogs, no crabs, no crayfish in the river. All were afraid of the selfish crocodile. Every day, the crocodile lay on his great big back in the sun, licking his beak, sharp teeth with a stick. But early one morning, the forest was awakened by a loud groaning sound. Something was in terrible pain. The creatures thought that it was an animal caught by the crocodile. Oh! But as the sun came out brightly, they saw that it was the crocodile who was in pain. He was lying on his back, holding his swollen jaw, and he was crying real tears. Oh! What's the matter with him? Asked a deer. I don't know, said a squirrel. Maybe he's going to die, chirped a bird. If that happened, it'd be safe to go in the river, grunted a wild pig. Look at the mouse, chattered a monkey. He's either very brave or mad. He's going to be eaten for sure, said an iguana. The mouse crept along the crocodile's big neck and into his open mouth. There was a hush in the forest. The mouse got hold of something and pulled and pulled and pulled. Then he put it on his shoulder and walked out of the crocodile's mouth. There was a loud cheer from the astonished creatures. The crocodile sat up and said, I don't feel any more pain. It's all gone. Then he saw the mouse walking down his tummy, carrying an enormous tooth on his shoulder. Your bad tooth was giving you the toothache, answered the mouse, turning around to face the now smiling crocodile. Do you want it back? Oh, no, get rid of it. And when you've done that, come back. I have a present for you. The mouse went and buried the bad tooth under a tree, and when he returned, the crocodile had a nice juicy nut waiting for him. Don't worry, I'll help you take care of your teeth, answered the mouse, nibbling. Soon, the crocodiles and the mouse were the best of friends. Fellow friends, remember, you should be nice and share and not to be selfish. Then, everyone can have fun and be happy together. I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you.